Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. I'm with Allison. She literally woke me up.
I just got my... Oh.
My bad.
I just got my retainers, guys.
Yeah, and Allison just gave me these. Look, oh my god, now look, I'm gonna smell like $100.
Damn. My Malibu is officially listed.
Yeah, she just bought a new car. It's a manual.
It's a 2012 Honda
Look at
Civic
this.
SI.
What is it? Chanel? Chanel West Coast?
Mm-hmm.
You know who Chanel West Coast is?
No.
Okay. Off in ridiculousness, you know who Bob Deerdeck is?
No.
You know who Big Black is?
No.
Oh my gosh, you don't know anyone. You know you know what Fantasy Factory is?
No.
You know ridiculousness.
No.
You know ridiculousness. Dude, who are you?
Allison Sorber. You don't use that much.
I don't smell anything.
I smell it.
Remember that one time I put so much on and we went to the mall and the
Hey.
girls behind us were like, oh.
You're not supposed to put... Why did you put so much on?
I couldn't smell it.
Why? Can you smell it now?
Yes, I can. Give me the other one. I got two, guys. Yay.
Go get them in your car.
I'm going to smell good now. I'm going to be walking around. Everyone's like, damn, who's that sexy smell? I'm like,
and then you'll run out and you're going to go back to your $8 TJ Maxx cologne.
oh, where's the other one? Oh, no, I just got to keep asking for samples.
You have to buy a $200 bottle of cologne to get those. To get 2 samples.
Well, then he can buy the $200 and I can get the samples.
I bought it.
Oh, you bought it. Sugar mama. Been there, done that. Don't do it. Not worth it. All right, guys. I got the sausage egg wrap, and then I got my strawberry acai. Refresher with water, because that's the one I like. What'd you get?
I have mocha frappuccino.
Really? We could have went to McDonald's.
They don't put espresso in it.
Oh, but McDonald's has flies. After working at McDonald's, I would never order anything there anymore. Never. Yeah, that's a good one. Take a bite. Oh, yeah.
I don't know what papilla is.
What?
What is this?
I don't know. Oh, you see Topper in the back. He's right there. Oh, he's just a baby. He's outside right now. We're actually outside hanging out. Oh, he's sad that I'm not out there with him. But I came in really quick because I'm going to make some, well, I'm actually not making it. I'm literally just warming it up. Some lasagna because Topper, he's a baby. I'm coming back out because I got invited over to Allison's house, which I'm actually pretty excited because usually I just have her come over here and we just hang out here because I just cook. But instead, I'm still cooking. Well, I mean, I'm not really cooking. I'm just, would you call this cooking? I'm ovening it. Then I'm going to go over to her house and we're going to hang out. And Polo and Molly are going to hang out with Topper and shit. So, yeah, sounds like a fun day. Literally just got off work. I still need to take a shower and stuff. But I'm hanging out with Topper right now, and he's really mad at me. He's mad at me. I gotta go. Topper, what are you doing? Topper's digging his first hole. Alright, I'm feeding Sammy. What do you call these? Mealworms?
Those are super worms. They're the same thing, they're just
Superworms.
bigger and apparently don't turn to beetles.
Is her tongue gonna be like big?
I'm not
Like the ones that can.
I'm not for sure. It's gray, which is kind of weird if I'm being honest.
Come on, get it, girl. Get it. Oh.
It
Oh.
slapped her in the head.
Oh. Oh, well, that one's gonna be in the kennel. Is that fine?
Yeah, those ones don't do anything. She'll probably eat it. If she doesn't eat it by later, I'll just refind it and put it away.
Come on, girl, this one's yours. Do it for the video. She's like, I'm getting recorded now. I have to stop. She not want to eat anymore. It's really big too. Holy shit. She's big.
thick.
Holy crap. I remember when she was a baby. Now I have to have 2 hands to hold her. Holy crap, look at her.
Guys,
Look at us besties all hanging out.
Just a girl and her two exes.
How funny is that you only hang out with your exes?
Small world.
Yeah. I mean, I do think it's because, like, if we lived in LA or something, I feel like we wouldn't be friends. You feel me? But since we live in a small town, Iowa, in a small town in Iowa, I feel like there's no one else to hang out with.
Yeah.
It's like we gotta hang out.
California, like, you could probably literally, like, Google whatever you want to do, and there's probably a place where you can do it.
Yeah. Copy.
Have you tried fighting back? Yeah, Copper, grab that big thing.
Look how big my boy is.
Polo.
Polo, come here.
Too good for us.
Polo.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Bob. Oh. Yep, he's sneezing now. He's like, yep.
Topper, where you at? Topper. Topper. You're Polo. You're Topper.
Yep, I brought the lasagna. I had to cook for an hour here as well. Because it's not. Topper's going in the kennel.
I don't like that, buddy. I don't know if you'd be a fan.
He's not happy, Clayton.
Oh, Allison, I was gonna be like, hey, since you guys broke up.
Polo get mad.
Yes.
You broke up what?
I was gonna like, since you guys broke up, I get a chance with Brian, but like I haven't shaved, so I don't know if I'm his type right now.
That was a good one.
He likes twin. Oh my God, Allison, what if all your exes turn out gay? Maybe then you're the problem.
I'll join this bandwagon.
And I'm not gonna shave. I don't think. I did shave a little. Like I just shaved up my neck, but I'm kind of liking it. I feel like I look good.
You look gay.
Do I look gay with my facial hair? I feel like I look less gay with my facial hair.
Less gay, but
Your
No, I
facial
don't.
hair, if it's like really, really pretty, like if it's like,
he's calling me pretty. He's
Oh,
calling me pretty.
thank you.
like if you have like a little like petite mustache, little like petite
I do.
hairs.
Allison, what's happening right now?
He's flirting with you.
Yeah, buddy. We're oh wow. Hey, this is what I'm freaking talking about, though. Wow, I'm just glowing up, though. Look how sexy I look. Sorry, I like these sunglasses. I'm gonna finesse them from him. But right now we're doing a photo shoot.
Wait, let Molly in.
Mol.
It can fit through this crack.
Sorry, Toppy.
Molly, go.
Top, no. Molly. Go. Come on, Molly. Okay. We're taking a photo shoot out here. Kind of loud.
You said make yourself the center of attention, but you were using a wide angle camera.
Clayton was taking it correctly.
Yeah.
Wide angle.
Put your feet.
Yeah.
Don't talk about race or him.
Do you want to talk about race?
Yeah, don't talk about race. I don't know what I am. What do you think I am?
I think you need to give Brian sunglasses for that.
No, I like him.
I think you're. Like a mix between like an Indian and Hispanic and a white dude.
Wait, you think I'm Indian, Hispanic, and white?
It's like an Indian, Hispanic, and a white dude.
Society would be more understanding.
What are you talking about? What? Wait, let's do handstands now. Handstand time. Toppy. Oh,
Okay, grab my feet.
okay. No, that's not how it goes. You do it yourself. Hey,
Oh.
Toppy.
Grab my feet. Grab my feet. Grab my feet. Grab my feet. Come on, Brian, help me. Under woo!
Oh, you guys are getting kind of close. We're friends. My turn to jump up there. Oh my God, I don't know what we're doing, but this is awesome. I don't know what that was, but I enjoyed
Wait,
it.
I want to.
All right, wait. I gotta record. Oh, I gotta move this somewhere because it's not getting all of me, and you need to
There's so
see.
much stuff on the desk that you probably need up higher.
Well, no, I want it lower, but I want it farther. Low and far is what I like. All right, Toppy. All right, move. Give me a smack.
Jesus!
Ooh. All right, you ready? This is my handstand. You ready? Everyone move. Okay, we're all gonna do our own handstands. We're gonna see who does the best handstand. Actually, I'll do mine last. Brian goes first.
I can't do a handstand.
Well, you gotta try.
I'm not trying.
What are you doing? Yeah, bounce that back. Get it back. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that was pretty good.
Okay.
That was it.
Okay. I'd call that donkey kick. I'll give it a -3. Good job.
I was so scared that went any higher. I was just gonna go.
That's what we need.
No.
Allison, your turn.
Oh no.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
You. Yes.
I gotta talk to my mom.
Okay, fine. All right, my turn. Let me try it again. Was that good?
Is that good?
Oh, let me try it one more time. Is that good? Why are you guys looking at me like that?
I just really like that I get to be carried. I don't even care who it is, so Brian, don't feel special, but follow me. I just really like it.
And she's like, I'm not leading him on. Okay, sure.
Wait, I
you're
get
not.
on you all the time.
Yeah, but that's different. Like, this is never gonna happen.
You're so stressed, baby.
Yeah, this is a little awkward. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we got lasagna in there.
You're really throwing it in there.
And they're broken up, guys. Is this not awkward?
I'm gonna watch that again. I'm just gonna jump. Okay.
I guess this is what exes do.
Did you see Polo?
Yeah, he did a slip and slide. Oh. Polo, stop. Stop, buddy.
I'm lost, but I know how to float.
Hello. Hi. Yeah? Hey.
Okay, I don't know what she's doing.
Tickle party.
Dude,
Don't call me.
you're getting really handy with both of your exes today.
No, I'm not.
And you know both of us is gay?
I don't dance, but I know how to float.
Alright guys, lasagna is finally ready. Oh yeah. Here is the lasagna. Oh yes. Ooh, yeah, I like that sound too.
That's the sound of good lasagna right there.
Finally, the lasagna is ready and it's literally 9 o'clock. Lasagna is ready. Allison is packing because she is leaving for the weekend, going to go see her sister.
And where?
You're going to Wisconsin.
On the Wisconsin.
Yes, sir.
Where the yeehaws get the yeehaws.
Ooh, what's this?
You can have it. I think it's yours.
All right, guys, we are at the store now because we wanted dessert, so we have banana cream pie right there. Hey. So I'm pretty excited to eat banana cream pie. I haven't had that in a long time. You gonna buy the rich people water?
That's my favorite water.
Water's water, bro.